These are only a few of the thousands of payment proofs that consumers receive every day simply by clicking on ads. Yes, you heard that correctly. Simply sign up for an account, click on a box and get paid for each box you click on. And wait until the end of the video because I will show you how to make even more money with this method. And I'll show you how to set this up online so you can get paid for doing nothing at all. This is a simple passive income method that you can implement right away. But first, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to every one of our viewers. In this video, I will show you guys a full step-by-step tutorial on how to set up this amazing income stream. So make sure to pay attention to every second of the video because I'll be dropping some hidden tips and tricks that you can use with this method to maximize your earnings. This method also works worldwide, so no matter where you are watching from right now, you will be able to use this method to start making an income online. Okay, here's how it's going to work. First, I'll show you how to create a free account, and then I'll show you how to build up a passive income method so you can earn money without having to do anything. Just let me show you the payment proofs right now. And as you can see, people from all over the world are cashing out every single hour, and individuals from all over the globe are generating money on this website by simply clicking on ads. PTCshare.com is the first website. Make sure that you follow all of these instructions so that we can make money on this website. First and foremost, look at all of these people making money on this website right now. And then it just proves that people are using it all the time and making money from this website. And you can see that despite the fact that this is a brand new website, it has paid out millions of its members. And this is a fairly simple task to do. You don't need any special skills or any experience. You can earn money in only a matter of minutes, and you can get started right away because many services allow you to pay out your earnings. Perfect Money, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Payeer, so many different payment methods available on this website. And I'll show you how to sign up for a free account by clicking on the sign up button on the left hand side. To begin, enter your username, and after that enter your password, and once more repeat the password. Now put in your email address and you just need to click on this button right here. Show them that you're not a robot and complete the CAPTCHA verification. And finally, just check the box next to I agree to the terms and conditions of service and click create account. And after you've signed up for a new account, you should activate it by looking through your emails. And it says, hey there, as you can see, welcome to PTC Share. To complete your account registration, activate your account. Please click here or use the following link. Simply click on the link provided and it will take you to this page where it says your account has been activated. And this is the dashboard for your PTCshare.com account. You will be able to see your balance right here, and hopefully with this method today on this video, you'll be able to make money on this website. And as you scroll down, you'll notice a lot of activities and extras that you can obtain by completing all of these tasks. This is fantastic news since it implies that there will be more opportunities to earn money online with this service. Now it's time for us to make some money. First and foremost, I'd like you to click on this earn button right here. Then a drop-down menu will appear displaying a variety of different tasks in which you can earn money with. View ads, offer walls, surveys, videos, PTC walls, clip grid, and recommend friends all are available. However, for this video, I'd like you to click on see ads or view ads. Just a quick disclaimer, it will not make you rich, nor will it provide you with a life-changing income. However, clicking on these ads is a simple method to earn extra money. It also demands no prior experience or any actual skills to do so. That will now display you all of the different ads that are available for you to click on in order to make money. And as you can see, there isn't much. That's why I told you to stick around until the end so I can show you how to make significantly more money with this website. I mean, it's really simple. All you have to do is click this button right here, and that's all you have to do to get paid this amount of money, which will quickly build up if you do it again and again. You're having a good time with this video. Remember, hit the like button, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. Now here's another tip I'd like to show you where you can earn $10 each click. So now I want you to scroll back up and click on the earn button right here again, then go to the grid. Allow me to explain. Each of these boxes is an ad. When you click on this box, this ad will appear, which you can ignore and you will be paid for that click. You will notice that it has been credited since the box will become red, exactly like this one. And as you can see on the right, all of these people are getting money simply by clicking on these boxes. You have all of these boxes that you can check every single day, and you can earn up to $10 for a single click. So for example, if this one has 100 boxes and costs $0.5 a click, and you click on all of them, you will make an easy $5. And it's completely free on this website. You can do this every day because the website updates your account every day. The second component I want to show you is how to set up your account to earn passive income. To do so, go to the Earn tab in the upper left-hand side of the website, and I want you to go all the way down and click on the Refer a Friend button right now. Don't worry, you don't have to tell your family or friends about this, but hey, if you want to share this with your family and friends, go ahead. But for the purpose of this video, let's concentrate on a different method. Before we begin, I'd like you to scroll down to the bottom of this page to read all of the referral information. You get 70% commission on their daily ad purchases, 3% commissions on the value of their ad click, eligibility for extra daily referral issues, a ton of achievement points increasing your share of the daily accomplishments at issue with that. I'd like you to copy your referral URL and paste it right here. Now I'll show you a website where you can share your link and earn additional money online passively, and it's a no-brainer. So copy your referral URL and let's try a new traffic source. Quora.com will be our traffic source for the time being. Quora is a website where people come to answer various questions or to ask various questions, and individuals are gonna answer those questions. So right now I want you to type how to get money online into the search bar and hit enter. You will then notice a large number of people are asking questions about how to make money online here. And these are a few examples. I just want you to choose one of the questions. This is the time where we will post our link and actually respond with our link. I'm going to use a script, but you can write your own one. Remember to include your affiliate link, that's very important. That implies that if a user clicks on your link to sign up for an account, he or she will be able to earn money and you will get a commission each time someone uses your link. They will do the same thing you did, which was click on those boxes to watch an ad, and you will receive a commission as well as they will make money. You can also do this on other websites similar to Facebook, Twitter, and so many other more websites. And that brings us to the end of today's video, guys. Before we go, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be updated whenever we post new content on this channel, and don't forget to hit that like button. And as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Take care.